Hello, I'm Hussain Azimi and I have a bachelor degree in computer science. I recently I graduated from Savvy Coder's full stack web development bootcamp. I used to work as a database and IT assistant. Since I have been passionate about web programming, I attended Savvy Coder's full stack web development bootcamp. During this bootcamp, I gained hands-on skills and created a web app for my Capstone project titled Immigrant Assistance. I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a responsive single-page application with Node.js Express, REST API server, and MongoDB for data storage. What problem is going to be solved by this web app? In developing this web app, I aimed to focus on the challenge faced by newly arrived immigrants. Today, I have the opportunity to present this solution to you, from product planning to deployment. Let's start with the user story and user flow diagram of my web page. This is the user story of my site that show the all features and the user activities of the site. I am going to present the features and functionality of these pages one by one. But before I am going to show you the user diagram, I want to talk about the people who use this site, similar websites, and the idea behind my Capstone project. The initial target audience for my web page is newly arrived immigrants seeking support and resource. In the next steps, by adding more features to the web page, it will be possible to attract two additional user categories: organizations working with immigrant populations and local businesses and services aiming to engage with immigrants. I found the International Institute website that is helpful for immigrants, especially its event section that which I plan to add to my site in the future. While I appreciate the content, I don't like the fonts they use. Additionally, I have included a form on my site encouraging user engagement by allowing them to ask questions and share answers. Inspired by immigrant support organizations which connect newcomers facing similar challenges through peer-to-peer support, I developed a web applications to help them share experience and knowledge. This similar and effective approach enables newcomers to learn from one another and solve problems together. This is the my site user flow diagram that start from homepage, and in homepage user access to the learning page, community page, and location page. In learning page, user can see the multimedia contents and do search for learning contents. In community page, user access to forums, discussion boards, and resource the share and sharing the resources. And in location page, user access to nearby can see the nearby services, search for nearby services, and public transportation info. During this cohort, I did serve as a developer. I tried hard to have an active role during all agile ceremonies like daily stand-up, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and sprint planning. This is my site. This is the home page, and before I am going to show the other page, uh, let's talk about the general features and the functionality that my site has. I define two color categories in this web page: primary colors soft blue and green for a calming, welcoming feel, and secondary colors for warm tones like orange and yellow to add energy to users and highlight important features. And the logo. The logo is colored hands with text assistance. And also this site has four main menu, four main page: home page, learning page, community page, and location page. As you can see my navigation, I try to clear a structure and short menu items for home, learning, community, and location page. It has a fixed position at the top of the page for easy access, and navigation collapse into a hamburger menu on the small screen. As you can see, when I decrease the size of page, this hamburger menu appear for the users and allows the users to navigate between different page in site: home page, learning, community, and location page. I have implemented a weather API to display the weather on the page, on the home page, and address API into the location page to display the public location in the city of St. Louis to the users. And also I have deployed my web page to the render.com at Netlify. This is the render.com, and this is the Netlify that my front end is hosted in Netlify. Okay, and also I have used MongoDB for data storage and Node.js for the server side. In homepage, as you can see, there is a navigation bar that allows user to navigate between pages, and a welcome message that includes a brief description of the site purpose. I try to bring a positive image that representing integration into the community. And also there is a link to display feedback form at the bottom of the page. This form is designed for receive the user feedback and suggestions. Very simple. Just put the name, phone number, answer these questions, and put the suggestion and submit. Through this link, user can access to this form. In learning page, there is a search box that allows the user to search for a specific learning materials like language, career, or culture. It's very important for immigrants' culture. And the results should display at the bottom of this search box. And there is also a form that user can upload, can share helpful learning materials. As forwarding using uploading file during this cohort, I'm going to add this functionality after the cohort. And the community page, I like this part. There is a discussion form that allows the user to ask their questions and see their answer of questions. Sorry. And there is a form that allows the user to share user stories and ask the questions and put very simple. Just put the name. As an example, I put my name, and I have a question. I have a question. Save. As you can see, the recent post will display at the bottom. Show the author name, the date posted, and the content. And there is a functionality delete that allows the user to delete this post anytime. If click, it shows a confirmation for the user. If the user confirm, the post will delete it. There is the functionality of this part. And the location part. In location part, there is a search box that allows the user to search there is two search box that allows the user to search by zip code or by category, by location categories. And the result display at the bottom of this search box. As an example, if I select the park and search, it should display all the park inside the San Luis City. Yeah, Forest Park plus name, Forest Park plus zip code 63112 plus district, that's empty, and also Missouri Botanical Garden 63110 plus district southeast and street and phone house number. This is all the information about the place that show to the user according to this two search box. Let's show some part of my code. I want to talk about this piece of code, the block of code. This is a function, a synchronous function that called add delete button handler, designed to handle the deletion of post and attach an event handler to elements that have the class delete post. This query selector all select all the elements by class delete post with class delete post. When the delete button is clicked, it asks for confirmation. If confirmed, it sends a delete request to the server to delete the post. After successfully deleting the post, it fetches the updated list of posts and refresh the page to reflect the changes. It has two type error handling. One for the first error handling is for retrieving post, and the second is for deletion post. And after each error, it navigates the user to the community page, redirect the user to the community page. And also I invoke this function, this asynchronous add delete button handler inside already hooks and inside after hooks. As you can see, if the view equal to community, this function should call invoke this function at the after hooks. Also there is a condition if view equal to community, and invoke this button. What I proud and what is the hardest part in this project? During the development of my capstone, I faced two main challenges. The first was converting my project into a single page application or SPA, and the second was finding a suitable API for my project. I am proud to have learned in-demand skills during this cohort, and the development of my capstone allowed me to apply my knowledge practically and enjoyably. My next plan is to combine the learning, community, and location pages. I believe merging these three pages will create a more functional, highly interactive, and valuable experience for users. Additionally, I plan to add registration and login functionality as well as user dashboard feature. And at the end, thank you for your time. I hope this solution has highlighted how we can address the challenges we face and make a meaningful impact. I look forward to your feedback and any questions you might have. Thank you again from all savvy coders, supportive and kind mentors. They taught me how to code.